इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे यूज स्टेट एंड यूज रेफ में डिफरेंस एंड देन वी विल यूज बोथ ऑफ देम। सो एक सिंपल सा ये फाइल है, इसमें दोनों यूज स्टेट और यूज रेफ का कोड है बेसिकली। सो लेट मी जस्ट रन इट। दोनों शो यहाँ पे हो रहे हैं। स्टेट वर्सेस यूज रेफ, confusion is real. So here is a simple rule. Use state causes re-render when the values changes and use ref does not. So here what we have done is, so we have taken a count variable and use state, and then here we have taken ref count and it uses use ref. So use state causes re-render when the value changes and use ref does not. So when we will use state, we will use use state when the value should show up in render, or change the UI use state when UI depend on the value. So here, when we click on this button, the count will change and it will re-render when we click on this particular button only. So when I click it, it will show 1, 2. So basically UI is changing. So we will use state in this case. After that, here we will use ref when we need a mutable container for timers and previous value or direct DOM access without re-rendering useref for mutable storage. This useref does not changes the UI and we use it for like timers. Let me just open the console, refresh it, and I open a console. Then we can see here the timer is going, the ref count is increasing 1, 2, 3, 10, 11, 12 continuously, but it is not showing on the UI. So as we have seen, when we use state, the UI changes. So when I click here, we can see the value 25. Okay, the counter is going in the backward for useref. So common mistake using use state for things that do not need re-render, that causes extra re-renders and slow apps. So don't re-render for nothing. This is the one point. And remember, like useref current can be mutated directly. Okay, so here useref current, it can be mutated directly, but changing it won't trigger a re-render. Now, the final verdict is use state use when UI cares, useref when UI doesn't.